Hi, it's Tony from Sailing LRA. We're going to look at 3 cheap and easy things I've done to improve the look of my boat. Fiberglass surfaces are going to oxidize, and when they do, the boat tends to look a bit dirtier than what it actually is. I've got myself a small handheld polisher, and I've used that to polish up the smooth surfaces on the cabin. Any of the polish that I got onto the non-slip surface, I used non-slip surface cleaner to remove, and that seemed to work pretty well. I know it's a bit tricky to see, but there is a discernible line between the polished and the unpolished surfaces. The difference would be a lot more obvious on a dark coloured surface, but I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Cleaning and polishing the metal surfaces on the boat can make a huge difference. I'm not trying to make the boat look brand new, that would be an impossible task, but with just a little bit of work you can really make the boat shine. If I'm being honest, brand new boats don't impress me that much. The boats that do impress me are the older boats that the owners clearly love, and that's the look I'm going for. Ordinary polish works great on the chromed metal surfaces, but Autosol is best for everything else. All the stanchions on my boat look like this, serviceable but a little bit crusty, so I went to work with the Autosol product. It doesn't take too much work before you start seeing a result. Let's look at the difference in the finished product. Now that looks better. So this is the port side rail, and as you can see that is very weathered, very grey. Some people love that and they can't wait for that to happen. Not me. I like the timber to be in its original state. This is the starboard one, and this is after it's been treated, or certainly washed first, and then treated with teak brightener. I think it could probably go another coat of that teak brightener, but I didn't like it very much. So I've just gone straight for the teak oil, and let's have a look at that. You can see that it's just chalk and cheese really. So I'm going to continue with that, and this is the teak oil that I'm using currently. So let's continue with that, and yeah, get moving.